To calibrate the pH meter, we need a buffer solution with a default pH of 7, beaker, the pH meter, and a timer. Pour the buffer solution into the beaker. Remove the cap of the pH meter and turn it on. Place it in the buffer solution for 1 minute. After a minute, the pH meter should read 7 as indicated in the buffer solution.